Hello friends, welcome to Dharma Education. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So here we will see general knowledge questions. So what is the first question? In science, who invented the light bulb? So who invented light bulb? Thomas Alva Edison. Next, which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? So in solar system, we can call it as a red planet, that is Mars. Next, what is the name of biggest planet in our solar system? So biggest planet is Jupiter. So what is the biggest planet? Jupiter. Next, who invented telephone? So who invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. Who discovered penicillin? Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? So which is the hottest planet? So it is Venus. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. So which is the smallest planet in our solar system? So which is the smallest planet in our solar system? That is Mercury. Mercury. Which planet in our solar system is known as blue planet? So which planet is blue planet? That is Earth. That is Earth. So it will have more water. So 2/3 of water is there. For that it is blue planet. Next, who invented the printing press? Who invented printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Johannes Gutenberg. Next, who successfully built and flew the world's first airplane? So world first airplane, the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright. So Orville and Wilbur Wright. Next, what is the name of the largest moon of Saturn? So largest moon of Saturn, that is Titan. So that is Titan. So Titan will have the Titan product from Tata Group, that is watches. So largest moon of Saturn is Titan. Which planet in our solar system takes the longest time to complete its revolution around the sun? So completes its revolution around the sun. So which planet? That is Neptune. That is Neptune. Next, which planet in our solar system has thousands of spectacular rings around it? So thousands of spectacular rings around it. Saturn. So it will have a spectacular rings around it. So if you take this is a Saturn means, then it will have a rings, that is Saturn. Next, what is the French scientist Louis Pasteur famous for? So Louis Pasteur famous for discovering the principle of vaccination and microbial fermentation and pasteurization. So these are the famous things with the Louis Pasteur. Next, which is the smallest bird in the world? So smallest bird. So smallest bird in the world, that is bee hummingbirds. Bee hummingbirds. Next, who invented the computer? Who invented the computer? That is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. Now we will see max quiz questions. How many hours are there in a day? So how many hours in a day? That is 24 hours. How many minutes are there in an hour? So how many minutes are there in an hour? That is 60 minutes. So you can write 60 minutes like this also. 24 hours you can write like this also. Next, 1 liter is equals to how many grams? So 1 liter. So that will be equal to how many grams or how many mLs. So you can call it as a milliliters, that is 1000 ml. The length of a field can be measured in millimeters, meters and kilometers. So field can be measured in a meters. Why? Because it cannot be a millimeters and it cannot be a kilometers. So it will be meters. The distance between Mumbai and Hyderabad can be measured in centimeters, meters and kilometers. So Mumbai and Hyderabad, it cannot be a centimeters, it cannot be a meters, it will be a kilometers. The answer is kilometers. Next, When a number is multiplied by 0, the answer you get always. Let's take any one number. Let's take 2 is multiplied with the 0, then we will get the 0. X will be multiplied with the 0, then we will get the answer 0. Then 425 into 1, we will get answer 425 answer 425. So 555 into 10. So you can multiply 555, that is answer will be 7. Why? Because you can multiply with the 550, 555 into 1, and how many zeros are there? Just we are adding that number, how many zeros that is. So let's take 55 into 100. So 55 ones are 55. Then how many zeros extra? 2 zeros. Then you can multiply 50 into 100. So 5 ones are multiply 5. Then here how many zero? 1, 2, 3. So add 3 zeros. So this is the way of doing that. Next, the largest 4-digit number is always 4-digit number. Always. So largest means always it is 9999. 4-digit, right? Then if it is the smallest means, so smallest 4-digit. First one, after that 3 zeros. 4-digit, smallest 4-digit is, smallest 4-digit is 1, after that 3 zeros. Next, 425 plus 30 equal to plus 425. So here plus 425, here plus 425, then common will be 30. So commutative property, a plus b is equals to b plus a. You can get it left side 455, right side 455, that is 30. 425 plus 0, if you add 0, then we will get the same answer, that is 425. Next one, 425 into 0, we will get the 0 as answer, any number. So subtract 1789, subtract 0, then only we can get the same answer. Next, half of an apple is greater than, equal to, or less than 1/3 of an apple. So what you can take it here is, half of an apple is greater than 1/3 of an apple. Half of an apple is greater than 1/3 of the apple. So 1/2 is always greater than 1/3 of the apple. Why? Because here 2 parts, here 3 parts are there. So that is the one. Next, 1/4 of a cake is, 1/4 of cake is greater than or equal or less than 1/3 of the cake. So 1/3 means, so here always 1/3 is, this is not a true case. So 1/3 is always 1/4 of cake is less than 1/3 of the cake, or you can say 1/3 of the cake is greater than 1/4 of the cake. Why? Because here numerator, which one is less, that is a greater value. Next, weight of a person is measured in liters, kilometers or kilograms. So weight you can measure in not liters, not kilometers, kilograms. Next, 8 o'clock in the evening is 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. So it is 8 p.m. Post meridian, ant meridian. Next, GK quiz. Who are founders of Google? So founders of Google are Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Next, how many continents are there and their names? There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Next, which is the largest continent? So we know that is Asia is the largest continent. In which continent is India located? Asia. Who founded Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. Where were the last Olympic Games held and when? So Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 2016. So in Brazil. Where will the next Olympic Games will be held and when? The Olympic Games will be held in Tokyo, Japan in 2021. Next, which is the longest river on earth? Nile River in Egypt. So which river? Nile River, that is the longest river on the earth. Next, who is known as the Iron Man of India? So Iron Man of India is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? So first woman Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? So father of Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baburam Ambedkar. Next, who was the first woman president of India? Pratibha Patil. First woman president of India, Pratibha Patil. What is the national animal of India? That is tiger. What is the national bird of India? Indian peacock. Indian peacock, that is national bird. What is the national flower of India? It is lotus. What is the national anthem of India and who wrote it? Jana Gana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Next, what is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. So, Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So, if you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.